Hello traders. Today is the 10th of December 2010. London is closed, New York is closed. Okay, and we wish you a very happy weekend. Okay, this morning, okay, I will show you a video right here. Just as we are waiting for London to open, because we have noticed this inverted head and shoulder. Okay, the video that we title chart pattern that wins. Okay, if you haven't watched it, you can go and watch it. Chart patterns that win. Okay, so we notice this inverted head and shoulder being formed nicely here, and I will show you on the 30-minute chart that we expect in the neckline, which this red horizontal line to be broken. Okay, and it was broken right there, and I was saying that we must wait for London to open. Okay, and London opened exactly on this candle here. Okay, if I will show you clearly where we yes, exactly on this red candle here, and London open right there in this red candle here. Okay, this is so important to wait for London. As you can see, I was telling you before that there was a resistance level here, and I was telling you that it was not a big deal to worry about. Okay, because of the bullish candle, this resistance level here. So I was telling you that even though the neckline here is broken, the first resistance level where we must take profit, because if you are buying, we want to take profit. I say 20 pip from here to here, you must take your first profit there because of this resistance here. And I was telling you that there's a chance that the bulls come back and buy because of this huge bullish candle here. Okay, but as you can see, just before London open, the price went up. Okay, it break the neckline here, followed by this kind of pullback. People bought it again, it went up a bit only to be returned back down. This candle here just before London open is telling us a lot of story, because this candle here went above, went up nicely, okay, but closed down completely. It's a very bearish candle, this candle here. Okay, the price opened here, okay, went up nicely here, the bear came in and sold it, okay, and it closed below the opening level. Okay, even when it even nearly wiped out completely this candle here, it went almost down here only to retrace back up here, but it closed below the opening level, this candle here. Okay, the spinning top, should we call it spinning top? Okay, this candle here just telling us straight away that the bear are taking charge at this resistance level here, where I'll show you here. This is what I'm talking about, that you must pay attention to the resistance level. I thought that this level will not create too much trouble, but just before London open, what the activity that went on in this zone here is telling us clearly that the bear are in charge. And as soon as this candle open, you see it going down, you must sell. Okay, it's a capitulation of the bulls. Okay, and the price went down, try to retrace back, retest it. This candle here, exactly this candle here, is telling you to sell straight away, because the price went down fast. Okay, retrace back up, rally back up here, try to go above that resistance level again, only to be sold down again. This candle here, it went above, open here, went above again, closed big time down. Okay, you see the small hammer here, followed by this one here, same thing that this one is telling us, the same story here, and you must sell. And it just went down. Okay, it went down to retest again the psychological level, the 13200. Even though so far we know that the reason why people are busy selling the euro right now is because the stochastic indicator, the slow stochastic on the daily chart, is overbought. So people are desperate, those swing traders, those mad swing traders. Okay, nobody's bad, but they are trading like mad people. Okay, even though they are not mad, but they are trading like mad people, because the stochastic is overbought on a daily chart. People are busy selling the euro USD, even though they are not supposed to sell it. That's why we see all this blah 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 going on. And every time the price went below the psychological level, there are bulls who are buying it back quickly. Okay, you see here, all the time there are people waiting below the psychological level buying the euro USD. Okay, so the fight is still on in this region of 13200, which is the psychological level. That's where I put the blue line here. Okay, And the whole week, if you pay attention carefully on this chart, the whole week, this psychological level where I put the line, that's where the trouble has been. This is where the problem. The price went down big time, and here the psychological level went up again. The next day came back, found a support there. They push it below again the psychological level. Okay, went up again. Okay, today again they push it back again in the psychological level, and the price each time the price touching this 13200, the price is finding the support. Okay, so this is what has happened today. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. Also, you learned something through your trading today. Just paying attention to the candle and the language of the price itself. Okay, together with the resistance level. So when you are trading, even though the pattern was broken, we knew that, as I told you in my video, that this level is a resistance level you must pay attention to, even though it was a bullish zone because of this huge candle. This candle right here has told us that we must sell. Okay, and the rally back up here, this candle here has confirmed that the bear are completely in charge. So what do we have here? Okay, for educational purpose, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell anything. Okay, so we have this kind of a top here followed by a lower top in this section here. This is another top here. You see this top. Okay, if you analyze the price, okay, and this was a top here. Okay, you see this top. Now the price went down. Okay, now we have another top here followed by another lower top here. Using the definition of the downtrend, even drawing your trend line like this. Okay, you see what I'm talking about. Okay, you draw your trend line like this, you see clearly that this second touch here, this candle, has confirmed that the bear has taken control. The music has changed completely, even though this was a nice bullish pattern. We will see on Monday what will happen, because right now we know the reason why people are selling, because they are selling because the stochastic on a daily chart is overbought. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, that you learned something from it. We wish you a very happy weekend. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you very much.